Did you know? Just 1 spoon of a simple kitchen ingredient can make your plant grow like crazy. Yep, no joke. You probably have it at home right now. Let me show you how to use it as a magic plant booster. Step by step. Easy, natural and cheap. Hey there, plant lover. First up, dry oats. Grind a spoon of oats. Oats into a soft powder. Mix it into the top of your soil. Oats contain B vitamins, especially B1, which help plants grow strong roots. They are rich in antioxidants that protect plants from stress and damage. Oats provide proteins and amino acids that boost healthy cell growth. They also have minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, iron and zinc, plus calcium from oats makes plant cells stronger and leaves greener. Or sprinkle it in when you're repotting. It slowly feeds your plant and helps roots grow. Just don't go overboard, or it might cause mold. Next, oat water. Soak a spoon of oats in a glass of water. Wait 24 hours. Then strain it and pour the water on your plant. It's a quick energy shot for your green buddy. No time to wait. Try this. Mix oats with warm water and give it a good shake. Pass it through a sieve. Now pour that on the soil, easy right. And here's a tip. You can mix other stuff into water too, like rice water. It's amazing for plants, but not with the oats. Keep them separate. A video coming soon about the miracle of rice water. I will make it wait. Okay, time for a quick warning. Don't use too much oat, really. A little goes a long way. And skip cooked or flavored oats. Plain raw oats only, that's the secret. Let me ask you, what's the weirdest thing you've used to feed your plants? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. So there you go, cheap, easy, and full of plant power. Try it out and tell me how your plants react. If this helped you, give it a like. And hit that subscribe button for more plant tricks. Oh, and share this with a friend who loves their plants too. May your leaves stay green and your roots grow deep. See you next time, plant fam.